Hello guys, welcome back to Romford Legends. Today we are back here for another nice sunny drone flight. So without further ado, we're going to take off. Right, so we're up in the air, as you can see. You get a nice 360 view of the area. Look at this nice area. See, this is what it looks like from above. We can do a 360 photo. It's the area of Cotton's Pub. Right, 360 photo is complete. We can now explore this area. So you've got a roundabout over here. Look at that area. Really nice shot. We're going to go around the roundabout. A nice shot of the roundabout. We're going to orbit it. So we're just going to go around the area, just see what's around here. Yeah, we're done. So yeah, the park's over here. What I'm going to do now, we're going to get a low down shot of the roundabout instead. Then we're going to go around. And now what we're going to do, we're going to explore this area. It's called the brewery, as you can see. We're going to explore it. I'm going to see what's down there. So you can see the road goes into the car park over there, as you can see. We're going to get a footage of the top of the brewery sign. So I just want to see what's on top. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Actually insane. Probably could see the shadow of the drone. Let's try and get the shadow of this drone right now on the brewery sign. I don't really get shots like this too often. Go a little bit closer to it. Look at that. I never really get shots like this. I never really have a chance. You can see the shadow right there. Look. Actually insane. And this is what it looks like above. We're gonna go above. Really nice shot. No one really gets a shot of this. What the brewery looks like on top. This is why I came here, just to get a shot like this. You can see the car. You can see the road go right inside, as you can see. It goes right inside here. So yeah, really nice area to fly. I'm glad that I've come here. So it's gonna get an upward shot. I'm just gonna explore the area. So yeah, what else can we get a shot of? To be honest, I'm not sure, but let's go down this area down here. This is like an urban environment in East London. This is even construction building over here, as you can see. Gonna get a nice shot of that as well. Just wanna see what's happening in here. So you never really get shots like this from above. Then we're gonna explore this area as well. Then we're gonna come back over here, get a shot of this bus. Let's get a shot of this van because the bus is staying there. It's a really nice area to fly where we're flying. What I want to do now, let's go to the east side of the park. West side, I mean. This is a really nice area to fly. You've got a skate park in this park, Cotton's Park. Gonna orbit around it, just get a quick orbit shot. There's even a car park over here, as you can see. You've even got the road going up to here. And this is the main area. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go straight down. I'm going to get a shot like this. I don't really get low down shots too often, so it's going to get a low down shot like this. I want to go back. Let's go back to this car park area of the brewery. We've got a bus going in here. We've got a car park over here, as you can see. Really nice shot. Let's get good footage of the car park. We've already got footage of the brewery. Let's get a nice orbit shot of the brewery after this, then we're going to land because the battery's going to run out. So we've got a car park over here as well, as you can see. got the range, as you can see. Let's get a side-by shot of this. Actually insane. Then we're gonna go to this area. Then we're gonna follow the bus coming back. Okay, he's gonna stop at that bus stop, so it's gonna go ahead. Let's get a sideways shot of this area. See, it's a really nice shot overall that we got. Let's come down here. Let's follow this orange car down here, and we're gonna just go straight down to this area. Alright, so we're now gonna come back. So before we come back, let's just get one more last shot of this area. See, there's not much to get shots of, so I think I'm just gonna land it now. See the bus coming. I'm gonna follow it. Alright, so we're gonna land the drone now. I'm gonna come back here. We haven't really explored this area as well. Let's explore this area as we come back. Actually, there's not much to explore. It's just buildings with solar panels on top, actually. Alright, so I'm gonna land the drone now. Well, as we get a shot coming down. Look at that shot. Alright, so we're gonna land the drone now. Alright, so hope you enjoyed this drone flight. Yeah guys, I'll speak to you in the next one.